I got started in magic about 8 years old. I was in the library looking for music books because I wanted to be a rock and roll drummer. I wanted to be a drummer. And I was going through the magic with the music books, and right next to it there was a magic book, The Golden Book of Magic by the great Merlini. And it had this amazing cover with all of these curious magical tools, and I picked it up and I started reading, and it said the pencil through the handkerchief trick. So I took my dad's handkerchief and a pen or something, and I did what the book said. I put the pencil through the handkerchief, and I didn't read the explanation on the method of how it was done, and I ruined about 3 of my father's handkerchiefs, and I was not getting this magic stuff. What's going on here? And then I read this part that said explanation, the secret. Oh, there's more stuff going on here. So I read the secret, and oh, I see. There's magical causes and effects, and you have to read the method. So that's when I started reading magic books. And I still perform the handkerchief and the pen trick. And it was the very first trick, if I can get that to, that's a little bit tough there. There it is. And that's a great illusion. And now, hopefully, I don't ruin the handkerchiefs like I used to.